Ah, mucus. It's miraculous stuff, Roxy. Barrier to infection, softening agent, and enzyme carrier all in one. A positively amazing tribute to human engineering.
Amazing. But this stuff is sickly white. That can't be good.
You're absolutely right. White patches or scabbed sores are a sign of infection. Trish hasn't been brushing and rinsing her throat enough, and the bacteria have taken over.
More open sores and bacteria? I've managed this before, remember? The waves were awesome. That can't be good.
The chemo and mucus are churning up one heck of an upset stomach. I'm afraid you're in for a worse ride. Near the bottom of the esophagus, and although she's lying down and relaxing, Trish is still really sick.
What are you saying, Smith boy? Am I in for some barf boogie boarding?
Crackers. We need to get her to eat some crackers to soak up this acid, or even candy to calm the nausea.
Crackers and candy?
It works. Just hold on. Stomach acid will melt your surface if you get dragged under. Try to get to the tap. That will get her to eat.
Oh, it's time for Trish to with John.